annihilator approach naman, meron tayong ito yung pag-basis natin. So, d raised to n, d minus a raised to n, and then d squared minus 2 alpha d plus alpha squared plus beta squared raised to n. So, itong d raised to n, applicable siya sa mga constant lang. Then, ito naman, applicable siya pag meron tayong e. Then, ito pag merong cosine and sine. So, yung para malaman natin kung anong value ng n and alpha, yung alpha, yun yung kasama ng e raised to, yung kasama dito. Yun yung alpha natin. And then yung n naman, pag ganito, laging 1. Pag ganito lang, walang kasamang x na dito, ganun. So, n natin is 1. Pag ganito naman, yung x natin, meron tayong 1 dito. So, yung n kasi natin, palaging yung exponent ng x plus 1. So, ito, since 1 to, magiging 2 yung n natin. And yung alpha natin is 2x, so magiging 2. And anyways, ito pala, magiging d minus alpha raised to n, kaya d minus 2 raised to 1. Ito naman, d minus 2 raised to 2. Gets? Dito, for example, yung alpha natin is negative 3. Then, yung n natin is 4 plus 1, kaya 5. Kaya, d minus negative 3, kaya d plus 3 raised to 5. Okay? Then, ito naman, ito, dito muna, then iba to. So, separate. So, e raised to 3x, ang n natin is 3. Ang alpha natin is 3. And then, ang n natin is 1. Kaya, d minus 3. Dito, ang alpha natin is 2. So, d minus 2. And then, ang n natin is 5 plus 1. Kaya, 6. Ito naman, example, 2 plus 4x raised to 5. So, yung x raised to 5, kaya d raised to 6. Ito rin. Next, ito. So, for e raised to 2x, same silang e raised to 2x, kaya ang alpha is 2. And then, n natin is yung, since meron tayong x dito, kaya mag-add tayo ng 1. So, 1 plus 1, 2. Kaya d minus 2 raised to 2. Dito naman, ito na yung applicable ito. So, ang alpha natin is negative 1. Negative 1x, so negative 1. Ang n natin is 1 kasi wala naman tayong x dito na x lang. So, 1. Then, beta natin is itong sine beta x. So, 2. Then, substitute natin sa formula. So, d squared minus 2 alpha. So, 2 times negative 1 d plus alpha squared, negative 1 squared plus beta squared, 2 squared raised to n. Kaya ito. And next, alpha natin, wala tayong e, kaya 0. Beta is 2. What? Feel ko 3 to. Baka cosine 3x. So, beta is 3. Then, n natin is 2 plus 1. Kaya, d squared plus, makakancel na to kasi 0 plus b squared 9 raised to n, so 3. So, dito sa second example, y double derivative, next video na lang.